I like Sophia's idea better. You're going to make pizza? Look, put your chef hat. Put it on. You want me to put it on you? Uh-oh. Let me see. Look at me. Don't put it over your eyes, silly. There you go. Like that. The pickle is sleeping. Make me some pizza, Chef Sophia. Is that some corn? Con mantequilla and some cheese. That was a beautiful lettuce. Do you want to sit right there, Sophia? Do it right there. Do the lights.
You want to take the should we go and get a vitamin color? Because something might help with your stomach. This is what I read.
Oh, Sophia.
This is what I like doing.
You like taking them out?
No, I like color organizing.
I do too.
It's fun.
What colors are those? Orange, yellow, blue, and red? Good job, Sophia. Good job, Melanie. Where's the yellow one? Right there.
Literally my sister. We're just like, you know. Mostly her. I think she gets it from you.
Yeah, I think we both do.
Perfect. Okay. Now we can turn it on the orange. What do you do with that second? I'll do the yellow.
What?
You want to play with that? Okay. I'll do the yellow pizza. I need to make a pizza.
Yeah, they're playing.
Here, put this one too.
What are you doing now? I like your hat, Sophia. Do you want to put your shoes on? No, no taking off your shoes. No, you don't take off your shoes, nor your socks. No, because it's dirty in here and we don't do that right here. We do it on the other side, okay? Where there's a play area, then you can take off your shoes and your socks, okay? I don't want, over here, let's go look for one. Take off your chef hat and put it on the table. Come on. Look, Sophia. Want to build a house?
Goes, Mommy.
What, baby?
I get to go.
Look, you use this one like this. Uh-oh. And then we put a roof. We need to find a roof.
Want to put your socks and shoes on?
Where's the roof?
No, you're just having a meeting.
This one? Put the roof on the house. No, this one, baby. help you?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's more little ones. Good job, Sophia.
Oh, I know.
Uh-oh.
When I do, Mommy?
You want to come over here? Look. What colors are those, Sophia? You want to go play with water? Come here. Will they sit? There's water over here. Let me pull back your sleeve. Give me your hand. Okay, the other one. Turn this way. Okay. Good. Look, Sophia. Over here. Look at this one. Look. You put it in there. It puts water inside. Which one is it? Ooh, look at that. Look, come and put it on here. Uh-oh. Good job. Look, it's coming out of this side now. The water's coming out on the other side. There's another one right here. Put this one up here, see if it goes. Uh-oh. See? You want to put it in there? Look, there's more over here, Sophia. Listen. Oh, yeah. Is there another spectacle thing you want in it? You go look that way, please. You can follow for Sophia. No? When you doing that? Oh, there's one right there, Melanie. Oh, get it. Get it. Get on there. You want to get on the water thing? It's splashing you. You want to move that? I'm going to help you. Where do you want to move it to? Right here? Yay! Sophia can reach. What, baby? I don't know. Waters, whatever that is. It doesn't matter. Want to come this way?
Watch. Let it go. Let it go.
It splashes Sophia. Whoa! It splashed me too. I'm gonna get in a shower. Are you ready to go? Where do you want me to push it? I help you. You can do it? Where do you want to go? That way? Sophia, come over here. You could take these off. You see? You could take these off to block the water. But if you make it like this, that one right there. You can make.
Oh, I wonder who did that.
Which one?
I blocked it.
You blocked the water. I wonder who did that too.
There's probably no one.
a triangle, Sophia.
A triangle.
Do a triangle right here. See? Like if you do this, like this, you could do triangles. Look, Sophia. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Good job. You did it right.
My collection of triangles.
Whoa. They're fun.
Another one, please. Mom, we have panties and a banana.
Pennies.
And ketchup banana.
Put them in there. Silly. Do you want to go play?
Yes.
Do you want to go play in the playhouse?
That's right. Yeah.
Come on. What, baby? Hold on, Sophia. Look over here, Sophia. Sophia. I don't know what's over here. Are you ready to go? No, there's nothing in here. We have to go that way. Look, there's... You could dress up if you want. Look. What is this?
A diamond.
Look, Melanie, do you want to be a bee or a spider or I don't know what this is? Hi. Look at them.
I just took that one away from her.
Well, baby, are you ready to go eat? Do you want to go get some papa? Sophia? What are you building, Mel? Melanie? You're just building. Sophia, look at Sissy. Look at Sissy's. What happened, Mel? Teach you to do what to do and how to do it. What happened? It fell?
I love how she was just, aw.
Build me a house. I want a house, please. Big house. Get something to play with in there, Sophia. There's costumes inside. What is it? What, baby? Please don't throw a tantrum. Look. Do you want to be an astronaut?
No.
Do you want to be an elephant?
Yeah.
Oh, it's an elephant. It's not a costume, it's just an elephant. Hello. You can't wear that one. It's not a costume, it's just an elephant. Look at this one, Sophia. Hello, Sophia. Sophia. Hello. Come here and give me hugs and kisses. Mm. Here, you want to play with this one?
Yeah.
Watch, stick your hand in there. Right there. Go tell Sissy you want hugs and kisses. This way.
Hey, Melody! 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 I'm here. I give me a kiss and a hug.
Oh, she knocked your building down. Tantrum mode. She's giving you kisses though.
I'm here.
Give her kisses.
Hey! Give me a high five.
Uh-oh. High five.
I scratch you.
Uh-oh. The bear's gonna scratch Sissy. You have to be nice. What? Let's see what else we can find in here. What is this? Look, Sophia. Come here. Let's put this on menu.
No.
It could be a bug. A blue bug. Come here, Melanie. Let me put this on you. Are you sure?
No.
Okay. No pues. What about another kind of insect? I have a tiger paw. I'm a tiger. Melanie, do you miss Sophia? Goodness. Come here, Sophia. Come here. Play with the tiger paw.
Gosh, she's gonna knock it. No. Stop.
That's what happens when you invite a bear to your house. Sophia, what's in there? Oh goodness, what's in there, Sophia?
I see that. What's this, Mommy? What's this?
That is a walking stick. It's a bug. Where's the ant? Where's the butterfly? Is the bear hungry?
Yeah.
Is the bear going to eat the bugs?
Yeah.
Let's see. I want to see the bear eat the bugs.
There go baby one.
There's a ladybug in there. Let me see the bear eat the bugs. Eat them. Nom 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 nom. So delicious.
I got ice here.
Where's the eyes? Do you want to go eat food? Sophia, you need to bring that back. Thank you. You can't see her. Are you finding some fossils and some bones, Melanie? You should study for this. It would be awesome. I could totally see you. Aspen? Yeah. What are you finding, Sophia? What are you finding? Are you looking for treasure? You guys look for treasure while Mommy cleans.
Can I clean too?
You want to clean too?
This would be so much fun.
This way. Put the rocks down.
We're an odd family.
We're cleaning. Thank you for your help. Say bye, girls. Say bye. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Say vlog with mommy.
Bye,
Melanie. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later. Vlog with me.